Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is me Sachin Thakur. Today I am going to start matrix chapter. So let's start. Matrix. The rectangular arrangements of elements is known as matrix. It is represented as A equals to A11, A12, A13, A14, 1, 2 into 2. Where? Here. Now let's move towards order of matrix. Order of matrix. Matrix. It is simply row into column. So first A equals to A, B, C, D elements 2 into 2. This is row. This is column. Here, this is horizontal one is known as rows. Vertical one is known as column. Now next is diagonal element. Diagonal element. Here A, B, C, D. Here A and D is known as diagonal element. What is diagonal element? Or if I is equals to J, the element is known as diagonal element. Here we can see that 1, 1, A11. Here we can see that for D, for element D, also we have 2, 2. That is I equals to 2, J equals to 2. So here A and D is a diagonal elements. Now let's move towards types of matrix. So types of matrix. Types of matrix. Types of matrix. So first type is row matrix. Row matrix. The matrix which has only rows is known as row matrix. For example, here we can see A equals to 1, 2, 3, etc. Now next matrix is column matrix. Column matrix. The matrix having only columns is known as column matrix. For example, 1, 2, A, B, C. These are column matrix. Now next matrix is column and row. We have discussed row matrix, column matrix. Now Singleton matrix. Now Singleton Matrix, SINGLETON Singleton MATRX matrix, Singleton Matrix. Here the matrix having only one element. For example, A, B. These are Singleton Matrix. Now next is Scalar Matrix. Next is Scalar Matrix. Scalar Matrix. The matrix whose all ELE elements are 0 except diagonal elements and should be same, and the diagonal elements are same. Example 2 0 0 2. This is a scalar matrix. So let's have 3 by 3 examples of scalar matrix. A 0 0 0 A 0 0 0 A. This is also a scalar matrix of order 3 by 3. Now let's move towards rectangular matrix. What? Rectangular matrix. Rectangular matrix. The matrix having different number of rows and columns. For example, A B C D E F. It is a matrix of order 2 by 3. Here there is 2 rows, but there is 3 columns. Now next matrix is our null matrix. So null matrix. What is null matrix? The matrix having no elements is called null matrix. Example 0 0 0 0 0. This is also null matrix. Now next matrix is diagonal matrix. What is diagonal matrix? Diagonal matrix. The matrix having only diagonal elements except diagonal elements all are 0. For example, A 0 B 0 B. This is a diagonal matrix. Now next matrix is identity matrix. Identity matrix. matrix, those matrices which have diagonal elements only and diagonal elements are equal to 1, and except diagonal elements all are 0. For example, the matrix having diagonal elements 1, elements 1 and other elements 0. For example we have 1 0 0 1. It is of order 2 by 2 matrix. Now next we have for 3 by 3 identity matrix, we can take 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 1. This is our 3 by 3 identity matrix. Now next is square matrix. Square matrix, the matrix having equal number of rows and columns. For example, A B C D. Here rows is 2, column is 2, so it is of order 2 by 2 square matrix. For 3 by 3, A B C D E F G H I, this is of 3 by 3 square matrix. Now next is triangular matrix. Triangular matrix has been divided into two types: upper triangular, lower triangular. For upper triangular matrix, we have elements below diagonal elements are 0, and in lower triangular matrix, elements above the diagonal elements are 0. A 0 B C. Here A B 0 C. This is a upper triangular, this is a lower triangular. Let's take small example of this type of matrix. Upper triangular matrix. For more clear, we have 3 by 3 upper triangular matrix. 3 by 3 A B C 0 0 D 0 E F. This is 0, this is 0, this is 0. All the elements above 0 are what? All the elements above 0 are, all the elements above diagonal elements are 0, so it is lower triangular matrix. And in case of upper triangular matrix, we have all the elements below the diagonal, that is this element and this element should be 0. In this way we have finished the types of matrix. Now let's move towards the operation of matrix. Operation of matrix. We can carry out 3 operations generally, that is addition of matrix, 2 subtraction of matrix, third, that is multiplication of matrix. Now let's start with addition of matrix. Addition of matrix. For addition, we have for addition of matrix, the number of orders should be same. 2 matrix should have same order in order to add or subtract. For subtraction also, the order of matrix should be same. Here let's take few examples. A equals to 2, 3, 4, 5. B equals to 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's add this. Element A plus B. A plus B. Here A plus B equals to elements of A that is 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5 plus elements of B 4, 5, 6, 7. Now let's add this up. 2 plus 3, 3 plus 5. We have to add each element with corresponding elements 7. In this way we can get addition of matrix, that is 2, 3, 5, 3, 5, 8, and here 4, 6, 10, 5, 7, 12. In this way we can carry out addition of matrix. Now let's move towards subtraction. Subtraction of matrix. Let's check example. A equals to 7, 8, 9, 10. B equals to 11. No. Let's take 11, 12, 13, 14. And we can carry out subtraction of two matrix, that is B minus A, that is 11, 12, 13, 14 minus 7, 8, 9, 10. And we can carry out 7, 11 minus 7, 12 minus 8, 13 minus 9, 14 minus 10. Answer is 4, 4, 4, 4. This is the subtraction case. Let's next video I am going to make for multiplication part. So this much for today. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Please like and subscribe my channels and click on the bell icon so that you can get all the new videos that I post.